I'm taking over the camera now.
Oh, you're gonna
This
film
is
this.
Brooke. And that's Tim, who was earlier washed up on the land like a fat whale. He did, you should have seen him.
Give me my change.
And that's Nicole trying to hide from the camera.
Oh, I love your
And
bag.
some bags.
What? I love your bag.
There goes Tiffany.
Just say get some friends.
No.
No, I'm not supposed to say that.
What do you say?
The stealing. Brooke getting mad at the vending machine.
It won't give me
You're on camera.
My towel's wet.
There's a creeper.
What are you doing?
Getting my purse.
That's kind of weird. Oh.
What is this? What is this? What is that? I have to buy a pop to get change. And you don't even have money.
Are you angry, Brooke?
Yes.
Okay.
If I got a quarter, I might have a quarter. All of a sudden, no. Hey, I got
And there's Naomi. You're on camera. Brooke, that was cold.
I'm an A-list for Aerie.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for quarters. Isn't that cool? I'm an A-list. Money, 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 money.
Wait, were you really speaking Japanese?
Yeah.
I thought you were.
That's lots of money. Yeah, it's really joking. There's Levi.
What happened?
He's trying to get to the vending machine too. Let's see what he's gonna pick. Dang it. Hey, 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 hey.
Don't hurt my camera.
Black Friday.
Oh, what's wrong with my finger?
Oh no.
It hurts.
Smash.
It hurts.
Oh, no.
I paid a freaking dollar.
I did one more quarter. One more freaking quarter.
Brooke,
Is there anything for Brooke, is there anything for 75 cents in there?
Peanuts.
Huh? Is there
No, there isn't. They're all $1.
there's Levi again.
80 cents?
There.
That's the lowest
And Levi.
amount,
Oh
8 cents.
God. It's a good thing we didn't see the bottom of that.
No, it doesn't change. It takes change. But you can't take change from here, you know?
Why don't we just go ask a random teacher?
This is dumb. Wow.
Wait, I have changed it before.
Zoom in.
How do you zoom in on this piece of crap?
What are you taking a picture of?
Okay, maybe.
It's not a piece of crap. Don't call my
That's a little. Jesus. Move your hand.
Ryan, give it away.
Watch my stuff real quick. Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm very happy.
You look a little weird, you know.
$1 for peanut M&M's. You gotta be freaking me. I got 4 quarters, Brooke.
Where's it coming out of?
That was loud.
I know. I'm excited.
Oh my god, what should I get?
I got peanuts and peanut M&Ms.
What should I get? What should I get? Brookie, what should I get?
You almost killed the vending machine, Brooke. If your parents see this, they ask why I'm going crazy.
And while you're filming Brooke all the time.
Because she's very entertaining. Whoa, holy crap, money. Money.
That's my money.
Ricky, what should I get? Oh my god.
Hey, it's Aaron.
Hi! Oh no, away!
That's Mr. Birdwell. We're going now. There they are, pondering what they shall eat.
Dude, it has wheat thins!
Where are they?
Wheat thins! I love wheat thins! Wheat thins! I'm gonna get wheat thins. Wait.
Once again, there's Tim and Nicole and Naomi.
Want peanuts? Try peanut, everybody. Try peanut.
Morgan, house.
Okay.
There you go.
Try peanut.
Giant peanut. How was that peanut, Tiffany?
It was a peanut. He handed it to me. My weekend. Oh, what is?
Cookie! Cookie! Brooke, get over here real quick. You have to
Gotta
see
see
this.
this. Dude, I want my wheat thins.
Like smack.
We can turn this to America's Funniest Home Videos.
Oh, it's coming! No, don't bang on the glass.
Glass isn't gonna do anything.
Do what you were doing. It was falling.
Get like one of those fake
Oh,
arms.
I shook the whole thing.
We can turn this into America's Funniest Home Videos.
Yes.
And crap a lot of money.
Uh-huh.
This is great.
I can't do a thing.
MJ, how bad do you want your Weethin?
Really bad.
You want peanuts? Want peanuts? Anybody?
She can't get her wheat thins. Missy, help.
Here, I'm gonna shake the whole thing.
No.
The only way to get him is to get more wheat.
Tiffany, you're in my way.
I'm not gonna do anything.
You're in my entertainment way.
really like break the glass. Like, dude, I ran out of wheat thins at home. I want to.
Don't bang it.
Turns out. Stop.
Don't bang it.
Don't make me. What did I get? Oh,
I won't bang it if you put me on tape.
say something else false.
If you don't put me on tape, I won't bang it.
Stop banging it.
It's okay.
Really? Hey, for Funyuns. Oh my god. I will pay someone back. Someone pulls down and hits the wheat thing. Dude, I could have got a Nature Valley bar from this one. And
Can you help us, kind lady?
Or just ignore us.
Yeah.
Look at us, Mr. Buto. Dude, where is my...
Here, let's
That
go
was
find
close.
Mr. Beato. Come on.
Wait, hold on.
Tim. Bad. He injured himself. Katie! Katie!
I will watch it.
Katie! You missed it. It's great.
What?
Come here. We have to say.
Wait, no, wait, hurry. I'm going running. Come on.
Tim, don't touch it. We have to show. Katie. I'm just trying to get wheat thins on the other side. So then Tiffany comes over and to push money in and gets the candy bar.
No, she gets Doritos.
They fall down. And MJ's all mad.
Stop.
How many go? I want my wheat thins. I want them
I
now.
have 7. I'll press it. Put your money in. Grab a sheet.
That's hilarious.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I hate you. Just kidding. Ryan.
That was great. There are the infamous wheat thins that won't come out. That MJ's not happy about.
Look, the entire thing's like crooked now.
And there's the rack of nachos or Doritos that Tiffany got.
That fell past the wheat thins.
The wheat thing. Good time at the vending machine, bro.
Oh yeah.
Can I borrow $1?
This is awesome.
Why?
I'm gonna get Funyuns and then I am gonna knock it down. I don't have $1.
Hi!
Anybody know what time it is?
Hi! Are you seriously recording this?
Sweat and testicles.
The whole entire trip? Dude, you're recording the whole entire trip?
No, this is MJ's.
I don't know.
I took over.
What happened?
What just happened? Oh no, we missed it!
Come on.
How did
How did it come out?
Got both of them.
we missed it?
Two.
Have a couple
We
extra.
missed
I
it.
only have 3 wines.
Great. This is a great moment for MJ.
2 weeks.
Bad.
Hi.
That took how long? Forever.
No, I'm sorry. Nicole, what do you want?